What are you doing? Is that good? What are you doing? What? I don't know what you just said.
Let's see it.
No.
Let's see it.
I'm not taking pictures. It's video. Quit. You're making me busy. I'm not taking pictures. Look, it's not pictures, it's video. Don't pull it.
I do.
See, it's a baby. Hi.
Down here.
What?
Hello.
Say hi?
Mommy.
What is it? You have to act that way.
Hello.
Is that your book bag?
Yeah. What's going on?
Okay.
Mommy.
Let me see. Turn around.
See.
Turn around, let me see it. Turn around. Oh, it's Care Bears. It's bigger than you.
I see it. Hey, I want to get my backpack.
Yeah, baby. What is it?
We have to pick it up. Our teacher where's our backpack? Hey, buddy. Mommy.
Hey.
Mommy, don't open it.
Spider-Man. What do you got? Is it Princess?
Mommy.
Steely, put that back in there. That's for your teacher.
That's for your teacher. Who is this for?
That's yours.
Huh? Is that my teacher? No, who is that? Silly.
Let me see yours. Spider-Man. Fixing to go back to school. So what's your teacher's name?
Mommy, you're back to school?
What is it?
Miss Gregory.
Miss what?
Miss Graber.
Miss Gregory.
Oh, Miss Gregory.
What's your teacher's name?
Miss Dillinger.
Miss Dillinger. Seeley, what's your teacher's name?
Teacher?
Teacher?
I'm going to go. Come on, buddy. What? Go back to school, Mommy. Hold on.
Say bye-bye. Okay, time to go.